guys, I'm returning back. Something happened to me. I'll be right here. My first signal is right here. And it is a car. Cool. So there's some kids here at one time. It's not an old one. It's not a Tootsie car, but it is a car. It rang up pretty good, so. Alright. Get this in here, so anyway, that's my first signal. And let's go on and see if we can get something else. Alright, so this one here rang up about 26 on the Legend. And it's not real deep. It's only about, I don't know, maybe 2-3 inches. But it's got a little green tint to it. I think it's a nickel. I see it right there in the clod. I guess it right there. I don't think it's probably a real old one. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's not real old. Probably from the 50s or 60s. I guess it right there. I don't think it's probably a real old one. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's not real old. Probably from the 50s or 60s. Maybe not even that old. I can't tell. My eyes are so bad anymore. How about the 90s? Alright, let's go on. Well, my third hole here, I got me another core. Well, the kids just didn't play like they used to do. Alright. It's a newer one, but it's still a car. See how many cars we can get today, right? Alright, that's number 2 on the car scene. Alright, let's go on. Alright guys, so this one here is down there pretty deep. I just got it, pulled it out, and I'm not sure what it is. I haven't cleaned it yet. Oh my gosh, it's Indian. Alright. Yep. Can't see a date on it, but I mean that's my second coin, and it's an Indian, not my third coin. And this one here is an Indian. Alright, let's go on. Alright guys, I got me another car, number 3. Boy, these kids must just not wanted to throw them around. Guys, check this out. It's a ring. I see it right here in the, probably a junker. Sure it is, but still. It's a ring. We'll clean it up later. Yeah, it's a junker. Still young. It is a ring. Alright, let's go on. I'll look in the stone for the stone, but yeah, I know it's a junker. That's awesome though. Let's see what else we can get though. I'm so happy with this. There's stuff here, man. Alright, let's go on. Hey guys, I just popped these 2 out. In the same hole, one was really deeper and the other one was off to the side. But I've got a new permission here, right here at this place. Let me get a shot of it there. And the lady was wanting to find her markers for the survey markers. So I did that, and I'm over here hunting. I only got about 30 minutes to hunt, so I'm gonna go pretty quick right here. See what else we can find. Guys, that in there was a little bit deeper. Man, it was a long ways down. I don't know what it is, but I think it's gonna be a wheat. Yep, it's a wheat. I know it is because it's down there pretty deep, and well, I'll tell you what, it was down there now. Alright, so that's number 3 in this little yard. And I can stay here till 5, so it's about 3 now, so I can slow down a little bit now. Alright, that's 3 weeks. Let's go on. Alright guys, I am trying to get an Indian over here, but so far all I've got is wheats. And that's number 4 wheat for this property here. That's cool. Beautiful old house. So one permission leads to another one, right? Alright, that's number 4 wheat head. Let's go get another one. Well guys, I just got my first buffaloes. It rang up on the Manticore 25, 26. It didn't hit 27. It was down about, I don't know, that deep, whoever that would read, and it's sitting right here. I know it's a buffalo because I haven't looked at it yet, but it looks like a buffalo. It's the right size for a buffalo. I'm hoping it's going to be at least a buffalo. Oh man, it's just a regular one. Oh. Alright guys, I got another wheat. Scratched this one a little bit. I need to clean that, but it's got some green patina on it. So that's number 4 in this yard. It's down about 5 or 6 inches, so. Alright, let's see if we get another one. It's getting late in the day here. Alright, let's go on. Hey guys, Missouri Mike back again here. It's been a while since I've been out, but we're hitting this old house right here, built 1840s, and we're going to see what we're going to find here. I don't know what we're going to find. It's been hit many times with other people. And Wes is over there. Hey Wes. Hey guys. Alright. Probably not too many signals here, but we're going to see what we can find. Stay with us here. Alright guys, there's that old house there, but I'll pop this out. It's an old piece of lead, but pretty cool though. It's down deep, probably about 7 or 8 inches there. Alright, let's go on, see what else we can get. Hey guys, they left me something here. Got a wheat head. That's cool. I don't know if it's got a deep. It wasn't very deep though. It's kind of weird. My first coin. I'll check it out a little further. Anyway. Looks like it's a 50 models. Only about 2 inches deep. Alright, let's go on, see what else we can get. I guarantee you this house has been there a lot longer than that, so maybe there's something really good down here. Alright, let's go on. Hey guys, there's old Wes over there. I just pulled this out. It went very deep. It rang up really weird. Some kind of clasp of some sort. I'm not sure what it was used for or how old it is. It's kind of cool though. Looks like it's hook of some sort. I like stuff like this. It had a purpose for some sort. Alright, let's find something else. Alright guys, we moved off to a new spot here. My first hole here is an Indian. 1904 Indian. Well, it's in great shape too. Here's where we're at. West over there. That's a good spot. First hole at this new place. Alright, got an Indian, so let's go on. See what else we can get. That's pretty cool. It's a ball tap of some sort. I'll have to look and see what that went to. Rolling rocket. Have to look it over. Lady. Alright, let's go on, see what else we can get.
Howdy.
Hey guys, look what Wes just got. Man, that's cool. I love these dog tags. What number is the dog? Number 6 or?
I think the dog chewed it up.
63
or 630 something.
Yeah.
1930.
1930. Man, that's a good one.
That's my oldest one.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
That's cool, man.
Yes, sir.
I think the dog chewed it up.
63
or 630 something.
Yeah.
1930.
1930. Man, that's a good one.
That's my oldest one.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
That's cool, man.
I love these things. The history of the town and the history of the dog. Alright,
I'd say
man.
the dog's history.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Good job.
Thanks.
I love stuff like this. It really is unique, you know. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright, let's see if we got, you know. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright, let's see if we can get something else. Good job.
Cool.
I know this place is older than this, but
Yeah.
let's see what else we can find. Well, Wes got an Indian over here, and I just come over here and I grabbed me an Indian. So it's kind of slicked off. See the date on it, Wes?
I cannot. See it through your camera.
It's an Indian, but oh man, it's raining. Well, I know it's an Indian, but it's pretty slick. Well, I know it's an Indian, but it's pretty slick.
But
We'll have
it's
to look at it later. Alright, well, that's 3. Man, I'll tell you what, it's kind of nasty out, isn't it? Alright, let's see what else we can get. Hey guys, got me a wheat. Got some patina on too. I don't think it's really super old though. It's only my second wheat of the day, and I got an Indian, so if I find an Indian, I'm happy with that. So let's get something else. Hey guys, Wes went and got his phone. I believe this is 1874 Indian. That's a pretty good one. There's not that many of them in the 70s. Wow. I'm really, really happy with that one. Even though it's slicked off. 1870s in an Indian. Pretty rare. Alright, let's go on and see what else we can get. It's got a silver. Let's see what it is. There it is. Ooh, right there it is. Let's see what it is. Could be anything here. Roosevelt. Alright, well, silver.
Silver.
Silver. Anymore. My eyes are so bad. 19. Something else.
1822.
Yeah. Yeah, it's over.
It's silver.
All right. Well, that's a good job, man. Down here.
Yeah.
Rain.